Relieved. I think we made it hard for ourselves, and it was difficult at times, but really pleased as well. Always nice to be in a cup final, and it's always nice to win it.
It was a very hard-fought game by the girls from Lanny. A bit disappointing actually, because we felt if we'd have nicked a goal, especially in the 15 minutes of pressure we had taking corners and pressing them back, if one of those had just crept under the bar, who knows?
It feels great to score the goal, but more important, like, to get the win. It's great for the team. To be honest, I didn't really think. I mean, I got the ball off of Steph Turner at the back. I just kind of put my head down and run. I mean, at half-time, Harris has said to us that we were making the wrong decisions in the final third, and I kept thinking pass, and then I just thought to myself, actually, no, like, just keep running, and then before I knew it, I was in the box and just knocked it in.
I think they were unlucky in parts, and we were very lucky in parts, and it just goes to show whoever you play in a cup final, it's always going to be tough. So all credit to them, they put out a good performance, and they certainly, as you'd expect, they didn't make it easy for ourselves. So.
Well, we can build from this. We had a very strong team out today. We just hope that everybody can stick together and, well, push on in the league, really. We need to get up there, pick up every point that we can, and finish off the season on a high.
When we played them at home in the league, they just lost their manager the night before, and they had loads of key players missing. So today, obviously, it was a lot closer than we'd anticipated, I think, following the game before.
So you scored the only goal in the first ever Welsh Premier Women's League Cup final. You've won the cup. How does it feel?
I mean, I scored the goal, but I think a lot of credit should go to the team. Like, the back four defended really well, the centre midfielders kept the ball. So, yeah, definitely, I think, well, it feels great.